Welfare catering. It's not about fancy restaurants or Michelin stars. It's about something much more important. Making sure people get the food they need. We're talking about schools, hospitals, factories, places where people rely on institutions for meals. Welfare catering is about providing nutritious, affordable food in those non-commercial settings. Think of it as large-scale cooking with a purpose. It's not just about filling stomachs, it's about fueling lives. This isn't just about food, it's about well-being. When people have access to regular, healthy meals, it impacts their health, concentration, and overall quality of life. Welfare catering, while often overlooked, plays a vital role in our society. Imagine cooking for hundreds, even thousands, every single day. That's the reality of welfare catering. It's a massive undertaking with clear objectives. First and foremost is nutritional balance. Meals need to provide the right amount of vitamins, minerals, and energy. We're talking about fueling growing children, supporting patients in recovery, and keeping employees energized. Then there's the budget. Welfare catering operates on tight margins. Keeping costs down while maintaining quality is a constant balancing act. Efficiency is key. Meals need to be prepared and served quickly, often within strict timeframes. And let's not forget variety. Nobody wants to eat the same thing day after day. Welfare catering is a logistical puzzle, but when done right, it ensures that everyone, regardless of their circumstance, has access to good food. Behind the scenes of every school cafeteria and hospital kitchen is a well-oiled machine. Welfare catering operates on a large scale, often involving mass production techniques. Think industrial-sized ovens, vats of soup, and carefully calculated portion sizes. The focus is always on nutrition. Menus are carefully planned to meet dietary guidelines, often with the input of dietitians and nutritionists. Fresh, seasonal ingredients are used whenever possible, but cost and storage are always considerations. Hygiene is paramount. Kitchens adhere to strict health and safety regulations to prevent foodborne illnesses. Every step of the process, from food storage to preparation to serving, is carefully monitored. It's a demanding environment that requires precision, efficiency, and a commitment to providing quality food. Creating a menu for a handful of people is one thing. Creating a menu for hundreds or even thousands is another challenge entirely. Welfare catering menus must cater to a diverse range of needs and preferences. Age, health conditions, cultural backgrounds, and religious beliefs all come into play. Menu planning involves a careful analysis of the target population. Are we feeding school children, hospital patients, or factory workers? Each group has unique dietary requirements. Special diets need to be accommodated, whether it's vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, or allergy-friendly meals. And let's not forget about variety. Menu rotation is crucial to prevent monotony and keep people engaged with their food. It's a delicate balancing act of nutrition, logistics, and creativity. Section 5. The tightrope walk. Challenges in welfare catering. Welfare catering isn't without its hurdles. Budget constraints are a constant pressure point. Stretching limited funds to provide nutritious and appealing meals is no easy feat. Catering to large numbers presents logistical challenges. Food storage, preparation, and service need to be streamlined and efficient. Waste needs to be minimized, both for financial and environmental reasons. Adhering to health and safety regulations is non-negotiable. Stringent hygiene practices are essential to prevent foodborne illnesses. Staff training and regular inspections are crucial. And then there's the challenge of keeping things interesting. Maintaining variety and appealing to diverse palates within budget constraints requires culinary creativity. Section 6. Case Study. School lunches in action. School lunches are a prime example of welfare catering in action. Millions of children rely on school meals every day. The challenge lies in providing nutritious meals that appeal to young palates, all while staying within tight budgets. Many schools have implemented innovative programs to improve the quality of their lunches. Fresh fruit and vegetable bars, salad bars, and whole grain options are becoming increasingly common. Some schools have even partnered with local farms to source fresh, seasonal produce. The impact is undeniable. Studies have shown that children who eat healthier school lunches perform better academically, have better attendance records, and are less likely to be obese. Section 7. Case Study. Hospital Food Reimagined. Hospital food often gets a bad rap, but in recent years there's been a movement to revolutionize hospital catering. The focus is shifting from bland and unappetizing meals to fresh, flavorful, and nutritious food that aids in patient recovery. Hospitals are partnering with chefs, nutritionists, and even farmers markets to create menus that are both delicious and healing. Freshly prepared meals, made with seasonal ingredients, are replacing pre-packaged processed options. The results are impressive. Patients who enjoy their meals are more likely to eat enough, which can lead to faster recovery times and shorter hospital stays. Good food is no longer seen as a luxury, but as an essential part of patient care. Section 8. The Bigger Picture. Welfare catering's impact. Welfare catering's significance extends far beyond filling empty stomachs. It plays a vital role in public health, education, and the economy. By providing nutritious meals, welfare catering programs combat malnutrition, improve overall health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. This, in turn, reduces the strain on healthcare systems. In schools, good nutrition translates to better academic performance, improved concentration, and increased productivity. In workplaces, it can lead to higher morale, reduced absenteeism, and increased productivity. Welfare catering is an investment in human capital, yielding long-term benefits for individuals and society as a whole. Section 9. A Seat at the Table, the Future of Welfare Catering. Welfare catering is constantly evolving as we face challenges like rising food costs, climate change, and an increasing demand for special diets. Innovation is essential. Technology is playing an increasingly important role, from online ordering systems to automated kitchen equipment. Sustainability is also becoming a major focus, with an emphasis on reducing food waste and sourcing ingredients locally. But at its core, welfare catering remains about people. It's about ensuring that everyone, regardless of their circumstances, has access to the nourishment they need to thrive. As long as there are people in need of good food, welfare catering will continue to play a vital role in our world.